For decades, capturing deep, actionable guest behavior data required properties to spend millions of dollars in IT infrastructure. Independent motels and mid-sized boutiques couldn't afford this barrier to entry. They operated in a massive data blind spot, forced to guess what their guests actually wanted. That guesswork has a severe operational cost. It leads to over-purchasing inventory and forces properties to rely on third-party online travel agencies, surrendering massive margins to commission fees. The alternative to that blind spot isn't a cheaper server. It requires replacing complex IT hardware entirely with a simple, inexpensive physical children's book and its companion digital ebook. This physical amenity is actually a Trojan horse. Hidden inside a simple guest gift is a highly sophisticated data capture node. The ebook ecosystem tracks every digital touchpoint. It logs check-in scans, tracks digital feedback answers, and records every claimed reward. Every single one of those previously unquantifiable interactions is instantly standardized and converted into a unified stream of clean metrics. Instead of relying on expensive digital surveillance tools, these metrics feed directly into a centralized management dashboard. This closed-loop architecture specifically bridges the hospitality data gap for properties that lack enterprise IT budgets. It moves daily operations away from reactive guesswork and toward proactive, verifiable strategy. To see exactly how this works, we need to build this executive dashboard from the ground up, starting with the raw data input. This architecture democratizes advanced business intelligence, allowing properties of any size to engineer human connection into hard, profitable metrics. What you are looking at is the foundation of the new analytics architecture, a standard hotel management dashboard. We begin by populating data node 1. Raw data routes directly from guests scanning QR codes across elevators and lobbies in real time, populating this first widget to track lead capture velocity. For a 40-room motel, this proves local highway signage drives foot traffic. For a massive resort, management uses this exact pattern to optimize property-wide marketing placements. From traffic attribution, we move to data node 2, micro-inventory velocity and service recovery. A second widget populates the dashboard. This bar chart monitors the exact distribution rate of the physical paperbacks as they are handed out by frontline staff. Consider an operational scenario. Management detects a sudden, sharp spike in books digitally tagged for service recovery. This acts as an early warning system, instantly identifying internal friction points, like severe housekeeping bottlenecks or maintenance delays. Real-time visibility into these micro-inventory metrics allows general managers to intervene on the ground, resolving operational friction before a guest posts a negative review. Next is data node 3, predictive preference and demand forecasting via the KID feedback engine. This engine aggregates highly specific digital feedback, logging precise meal requests, preferred amenity types, and activity selections inputted by families upon arrival. This aggregated feedback routes into a third dashboard widget, generating predictive food and beverage demand charts. While traditional purchasing relies on reactive guesswork, this new model is entirely predictive. Hotels can dynamically adjust food ordering, staffing, and pool deck programming based on exact guest preferences captured that very same day. This precision eliminates costly inventory waste in a kitchen. This leads us to the highest value component, data node 4, high-yield length of stay conversions. The final widget populates the dashboard. This tracks the direct bookings generated entirely via back cover QR scans. This specific metric provides a verifiable return on investment for the initial physical book expenditure. The dashboard explicitly calculates the exact dollar amount of third-party OTA commissions the hotel successfully bypassed through these direct bookings. Alongside direct revenue, the system generates a parallel marketing stream, social volume and user-generated content. Guests are prompted to upload video feedback clips and verified challenge photos directly to the property's branded community page. This supplies corporate marketing directors with a continuous, automated stream of authentic, family-safe assets. This automated media stream replaces the need to spend tens of thousands of dollars on highly staged professional lifestyle photo shoots. By completing the data loop, from initial preference forecasting to final direct booking and social sharing, the property transforms a single physical amenity into predictive operational savings and commission-free revenue. The architectural advantage of this platform extends beyond a single hotel's dashboard. It is designed to scale seamlessly across completely different property footprints. Looking at this comparative matrix, we can see these data streams routing evenly across a small budget motel, a mid-sized boutique, and a 50-property national portfolio. At the first scale, the budget motel uses its newly generated digital footprint to execute personalized direct booking text campaigns, ensuring those guests never book through Expedia again. Moving to the second scale, we have the mid-size boutique application. A boutique property uses these specific operational metrics to definitively prove to skeptical investors that their high-touch family amenities are directly driving incremental revenue. Finally, we examine the largest scale, the enterprise management company. An enterprise company overseeing a national portfolio of 50 hotels utilizes a fully synchronized version of this dashboard. This grants corporate directors the capability to benchmark property-level performance, tracking exactly which front desk teams are maximizing family engagement nationwide. Technically, it allows corporate to push seasonal ebook refreshes seamlessly via API, instantly capitalizing on shifting regional travel trends across their entire portfolio. A single, lightweight analytics architecture maintains high utility, regardless of a property's physical size or resource constraints. This ecosystem takes localized human connections and converts them into a profitable, enterprise-grade intelligence engine. It empowers independent properties and mega chains alike to remain agile, highly optimized, and permanently clear of third-party middleman fees.
Welcome to the future of asset building. This is a strategy that you can trust. Just scan the QR code. Let's build a long-term partnership.